are we going? You know, like like we did in London.
Can you tell people why are we going to London?
To record WW bitches.
Can you tell people why are we going to Lake District?
To record Yeehaw bitches. Exhausting journey. Long story short, we missed a bus stop, but we will expand the story in a second. But now I have good news and bad news.
Okay, so
the bus story.
This is the bus stop, and our hotel is literally like 5 minutes away from it, not even 5. And we opened the map, we're like, oh, we're actually close, but maybe we can go like one more stop. So we're like, okay, let's go one more stop to go to this other path. Dude.
The second stop didn't even exist in this city. Like, we were going for, I don't know, I think we were going for 30 more minutes until the bus finally stopped. So then we went down and we asked the bus driver if we can stay in the bus if it will go in the circle and come back to Grasmere. So yeah, we just lost 2 hours in the bus. Do you want me to tell you first, good news or bad news?
Bad news.
No, I'll start with good news. We're going back to Grasmere. Bad news, it will take at least 1 hour. At least 1 hour, do you realize how long?
Finally.
So we're going to check our house for our room. For the
Our
first
house.
time. Okay.
Another day.
Not sure what to expect. Actually, I know what to expect. I saw pictures. Okay, it looks different than what I expected it to be.
Okay. We can climb on the roof.
That's what I thought. I mean, I guess that's cool.
We have a mirror.
I guess that's cool. So Frank is trying to set up Steadicam. I'm feeling like 50 years old. I think she's also feeling like 60 years old.
I'm even older than you, so I'm like 55.
That's why I said 60. Okay, so that's Franca. That's that. What the fuck? Looks stable as fuck. I just looked at myself in the mirror and just look at me. I look fucking drunk. I don't feel drunk, but I look so wasted. Bro. Bro, man. Dude, like, sister. I don't know. Let's get
How late is it? Because I scream. Did you understand my curse?
Ебать мать. Fucking mother.
It's an impulse.
No, it's like fucking mother.
Oh my God.
But you knew that something is up, right? You were opening doors so slowly.
Because I saw dark here, and I was like, why would he turn off the light?
Yeah. I might be overreacting. Yes, but Franca, I think she will love what I will say. Follow my finger.
I don't have glasses. What is happening?
The 2 massive spiders. Come closer. Yeah, go closer. Do you see them now?
Yeah.
And you never know when they might crawl like through the wall here because it's below you.
Now, when I go to toilet, you will kill them.
I will not kill them.
Yeah, you will. You will take paper tissues and you
I'm not killer. I'm not killing spiders.
Yes, for me.
I'm going to sleep. I'm going to charge the GoPro. GoPro, you're going to sleep. She already has Ebola.
Good morning, sunshine. That has to become a thing now. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you should check out our London vlog, day 2.
A speaker? Yeah, speaker.
Good morning, sunshine. Anyways, soon we will finally go hiking, because that's why we came here. Actually, no, we came to record for the hotel. But yeah, Lucas will talk to you when he gets back. Bye.
So I think Franca told you guys that you will speak with me later. So here I go. Like, here I am speaking with you guys. Here I go. What the fuck? We're just waiting for the bus to come. So basically, we're hiking that mountain. It might look small from the GoPro, but like it looks super fucking massive. It will be my first mountain that I will ever hike. What about you, Franca? Yeah.
I never hiked
Yeah, but look at this place. Fucking beautiful. Such a nice place.
Lucas is... Dude! Lucas is following sheep. Is it vlog? Is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys.
Hi. Hi. It's friendly to say hi, but it was like,
Yeah.
hey guys, and the guy said hi. Anyway, this is the second stop we stopped at? Yeah.
Yeah, second stop. But it's fine, like...
Looks super fucking sick. Look, oh shit, I'm sorry. Anyway.
It's fine. Hey.
Hi, yo. Sick, dude. Yo. So we're pretty high, as you can see. I don't know, I haven't checked time, but we've been climbing for quite a while. And we will take third break now, I think, right? I mean, we took like very short ones, like 1 minute. Just drinking a few sips.
Hey guys.
What up?
So we met these people here and they said it's gonna take us 1 more hour and a half of walking till either the top there or the lake. We're not sure, but like we have a lot more to walk.
And Lucas is going to check his grades, how much he got in essay.
Now.
Yeah. Because I am afraid we will not have internet. I will
Okay, if you're checking, I'm checking as
okay,
well.
I will hold the camera now. I got my result.
Are they good?
I'm happy with what I got. I'm first?
Almost.
Same, almost. How much?
68.
68 as well.
Really? Woo!
Anyway, again, we're hiking. We don't have much water, which we will speak about in a bit when we will sit.
We have coke though.
We have
That
cola.
actually, like, saved us.
But anyway, we've been hiking for what, like 1 hour and 30 minutes now, maybe even more, and we're climbing that boy. It might not look high from the camera and big, but it's fucking massive, bro.
Guys, can you even believe that we actually climbed this? I mean, we're not on the top yet. We'll be soon. But yeah, like the wind is helping a lot, and also like when it's cloudy. Because like when in the sun, I can't speak English.
Same,
And
bro.
without winter.
Give me the GoPro, you fucking without winter, you see, man.
Wind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The problem is, like, we don't have much water left, right?
Yeah.
Holy fuck. Oh yes, we got this.
Serious?
Yes. They will ask where we're going. Hi. Oh, you want to tell people what just happened?
Morning.
I might lose my job and shit. Like you will not believe what just happened.